Hi everyone, my name is Andromeda Rajkumari. I'm in grade 4 and my hobby is sketching. I'm learning it from Nabanita ma'am. She's from India, and today in this video I'm going to show you some of the sketches I worked on. So this was my first sketch. It's about a beautiful lady, and I think the flowers on her sides makes her more beautiful. The next sketch is a character from an animated series called Demon Slayer, and her name is Tamayo. In the series, she helps the demon slayers in defeating the demons. The next sketch is also a character from the same animated series Demon Slayer. Her name is Shinobu Kocho, and she is a part of the Demon Slayer Corps. The next is a sketch of a clown. I drew him in his demonic form and I think he looks really scary. Finally, this is going to be the last sketch of this video. This is a sketch of an Indian goddess, Ma Tarini. I made this for Jayshree Masi because she has deep faith in her, and I'm going to give her as a present. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I'll see you next time. Bye.